Okay, today I am going to find out the original and counterfeit GOOT soldering iron. As you can see, you can feel made in Japan under your finger and trademark GOOT. It has been written in small font and you can see the features of the product, and you can see this soldering iron is counterfeit. Let's see inside the handle. First I open the handle. Okay, as you can see, the heater wire is connected to the live wire directly with black cover or with black isolation. This soldering iron is counterfeit. Let's see the original one. Okay, here is the original one. You can see the specification of the product: KS 20R, 20 watts. The production date April 2006, printed in Japan. Okay, as you can see, made in Japan is written in a small font, and the trademark GOOT as the counterfeit. The original one and the counterfeit is alike at the end of the handle, and you can see the features of the product. You can see trademark GOOT. And Japan on the edge of the barrel. Let's find out what is different between the original and the counterfeit one. Okay, it is very simple, but you have to always remember. As you can see, the original soldering iron, the wire that comes through the barrel is connected to the wire with socket, and you can remove it easily, as you can see. But in the fake one, you have to cut it. So it is the best way you can find out that your soldering iron is original or fake. The trademark and the made in Japan phrases and trademark here and here is not the only way to find out your product is original or fake. You must open it and see the socket here that connected to the wire. Okay, but in old product there is a little difference in the handle. As you can see, made in Japan has been written in big font. In original one, you can see made in Japan has been written at the end of the handle in a small font. But in the old one, you cannot see the trademark or the name of Japan. As you can see on the tip, there is no trademark or made in Japan phrases. Let's open it to find out that it is fake or original. Okay, that's right. You can see, as you can see, the heater wire is connected to the live wire with socket. The soldering iron is original. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and wait for the next videos. Thank you.